This is a quick video. I was shaping I was grinding down some triplets, the blacks and the opal top to get them to level. And while I was grinding that one, I had about 5 of them or so I was grinding. I ground down to this opal layer. And I'm sure you can see that color, it's crazy. So I stopped. It's still a good, 1/16 of an inch thick there, that opal. There's a really nice layer on the bottom that I glued to that, but this is a better, if I remember right, I glued this up about a week ago, but I believe this is a better color bar, and I'm not willing to sacrifice this. So, I'm going to go ahead and shape this into a doublet instead of triplet because it's that nice. So let's speed things up, go along for the ride. There's a fracture right here that I've highlighted, so we're going to grind that out first. Alright, that's it. Roll that edge because we're going to leave the rest of it there. I'm going to get this to focus a little better lighting. Now I'm just going to take off to the opal everywhere. And then once I get her down to the opal, then we'll figure out what kind of shape we got left. A pretty flat top, low dome opal because it's a big piece. So that's okay. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Alright, so where I'm at. That's where we're going to leave it. I think I'm just going to leave this as a freeform. So we'll go ahead and move over and take the edge and roll the edge. got a little bit right here. We're going to take that back fix that side, because I don't like that chip come off of it or something, so. That goes in there. There we go. There's a chip underneath that. Straighten that side just a touch. Going completely straight, but I want it straighter than it was. And I kind of want to round it. I don't want it flat. It doesn't fit the rest of it, so. Alright. Still got a little bit, so we're going to have to be careful there. Okay, let's roll that. Yeah. Okay, I think that's got her shaped. Now let's polish this thing. overcast, so we're not going to get the bright flashes, but there's an inkling of what the color of this piece looks like.